The government is now planning to counter Rahul Gandhi's remarks in three ways. According to sources suggesting that politically the BJP MPs will try to corner Rahul Gandhi on his remarks during the reply, as they will also ask him to authenticate the facts on the floor of the House, with Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju indicating that the Treasury benches may seek action against the Congress leader for misleading the House. His remarks, which has evoked a sharp response from the BJP side, which continues to accuse him of resorting to falsehood.
The correct practice is he must be able to substantiate, he must be able to authenticate whatever statement he has made on the floor of the House. And we know he can't authenticate because it is false. Then of course it will be removed from the record. However, we would like to remind him through the rules that such kind of frivolous acts and languages should not be repeatedly used. It undermines the parliamentary standards.
Meanwhile, BJP MPs have also submitted a notice for the breach of parliamentary privileges, citing ethics and propriety concerns over Sonia Gandhi's alleged use of derogatory and slanderous words against President of India. They have accused the Rajya Sabha MP of attempting to undermine the dignity of the nation's highest office. The notice that has been addressed to the Rajya Sabha chairman, and here is what Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has to say, defending her mother earlier, saying that her brother performance as well. This is what she had to say on the statement that was made by them.
मुझे लगा कि ऐसा ही भाषण होना चाहिए नेता का कि एक विजन बताए, देश के लिए विजन क्या है, आगे की सोच क्या है, और इस जो तू मैं चलती रहती है इससे ऊपर उठकर देश के लिए बोले, और मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा उनका भाषण।
मुझे तो आज मन है कि मैं उन्हें राहुल जिनपिंग ही कहूं। 34 बार 34 टाइम्स चाइना 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 34 बार चाइना का नाम लिया है राहुल जिनपिंग ने। मुझे तो लगता है कभी कभी वो जो टीवी सीरियल चलता था अगले जन्म मोहे, तो राहुल गांधी तो अपने मन में कहते ही होंगे कि अगले जन्म मोहे चाइनीज ही कीजो।
Well, Sabyasachi joining us live right now. Sabya, good morning. As far as the outrage is concerned, not one but multiple issues that have been raised by the leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi, in the Lok Sabha, and the BJP and the government is now planning to counter them, today also being the day when the Prime Minister will be speaking in the House.
Well, that's right. See, the BJP is all set to counter Mr. Rahul Gandhi's speech. In fact, Prime Minister Narendra Modi today will be speaking on the motion of thanks at around 5 p.m. See, yesterday also, Parliamentary Affairs Minister Mr. Kiran Rijiju has countered Mr. Rahul Gandhi, stating that Mr. Rahul Gandhi made speeches and claims inside the House without any proper substance. In fact, the BJP claimed that Mr. Rahul Gandhi's statement was false and objectionable. And in fact, they have been asking Mr. Rahul Gandhi to put out the facts in front of the House, because yesterday Mr. Rahul Gandhi claimed that the Prime Minister, on one hand, when he said that the Chinese have not intruded our land, but the Army Chief have denied Prime Minister's claim, and also, well, Mr. Rahul Gandhi said that India has sent its Foreign Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar to the United States to ask the President to come. So clearly a lot of war of words has taken place inside the House, and the BJP has been asking Mr. Rahul Gandhi to put out the substance before making such claims.
All right. Making as far as big charges that have been leveled by Rahul Gandhi, the BJP and the government planning to counter-check them as far as when it comes to the Prime Minister today, who is also expected to speak in the House. Thank you very much, as we're expecting a lot more fireworks in the ongoing budget session.